Hello, dragons. I am Elijah Finley. This is my partner.
Kendra Boot.
And we're here to pitch to you why you should invest in Mesopotamian astronomy. Now, to start off, let's give you a little brief explanation of what astronomy is. Astronomy is the branch of science which deals with celestial objects, space, and the physical universe as a whole. Now, we're going to go through why you should choose us and invest in us, give us money to help benefit you as you get a share, and help benefit us because our product, we believe, should be invested in. We're going to start with Kendra, and she will tell you the perks of why you should invest in our product.
Yes. So, my name is Kendra, and I'm here to try and persuade you into buying into my partner Elijah and I's idea, astronomy. Coming from present time, I'll talk to you about the here and the now. So far, we have a rough outline on how this vast system works, but we are nowhere near discovering what is yet to be found. With your help, that can change. Many of us have observed the movements of the planets and the stars and assigned them godlike features and powers. For example, the sun god Shamash and the moon god Sid. We have also interpreted the planetary movements as signs for understanding the future, something we couldn't have done if astronomy was never discovered. Already, observing these planets has resulted in scientific advances in our society, and it hasn't even been that long since astronomy was discovered. Think of what we can impact and change if we were to move forward with this. If you're not convinced yet, an example of what good this has brought to our society is this. The appearance and disappearance of the planet we call Venus behind what we call the hot sun has been recorded and interpreted as a good omen and observation. Yet another example is the use we found for a calendar from the stars. Their motion provided an essential calendar for predicting the weather. Without astronomy and this calendar, crops may have failed from not knowing upcoming conditions, and the bad weather would not have been foreseen. Overall, this cool discovery we call astronomy is a lifesaver and solves many problems we used to face every day, like predicting weather, the names for our gods, and the uses for the stars, moons, and planets. So, overall, what we know now in this short period of time can't be all, and we ask of you to please invest in our discovery for a brighter and better present and future. Here's my partner Elijah to talk to you about the things astronomy can help in the future.
So, an excellent look from my partner Kendra. I'm here to talk about the future. And the future with astronomy can range from something so little to something so big. And even when the Acadians first discovered outer space and wanted to look at it more, they didn't believe that it would be something, they just believed it would be something so small, but realized it was something so big. Something we might see in the future is some sort of telling when the sun is going to be in the sky, which we could find out with using astronomy, and it will better our telling of when the sun's going to be in the sky for the future, and we might have a certain system that we could use that will develop if we keep on studying this topic. As well, looking in the night, the stars might tell us some sort of secret futuristic things that we might find out if we keep on looking towards it, like expanding the universe. We don't know what's out there. As we further start to embark on future explorations and journeys, if we start to look more up into the sky, we can start to see different navigational paths and different ways we can explore and different ways we can go that will help us find new lands, maybe new resources like water, fresh water, crops and food in general, that if we don't look in the sky and don't study from the stars, we won't realize these special areas that we might find if we do look at the stars and read their navigations in the sky. Finally, as we look towards the future, we start to look towards the sky. Now, we don't know what's out there, but if we keep on exploring and searching and putting money towards it, we can start to find out more about our outer world, what's out there. Maybe there's more than just us. We don't know that yet. It might be such a crazy thing to think about so mind-blowing. But if we start to explore it more, it might be less mind-blowing and more of a reality to become to us. And I feel that we should start to put more interest in it to see what is out there, so we can find out more about ourselves and maybe find other things about the outer space that we don't know about.
Thank you so much for watching our presentation. We hoped you enjoyed it, and we hope that you will continue and invest in us.
Please invest in us because you won't regret it.